Are you ready to revolutionize how you manage your appointments? Say goodbye to manual setups and hello to efficiency. Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to show you how GoHighLevel can transform your appointment management by reducing no-shows and automating reminders. Go to the Settings tab in the bottom left corner. Click on Calendars from the left-hand menu. Tap the Create Calendar button to set up a new calendar. Set the calendar name, availability, and slot duration. Navigate back to the Settings tab. Click on Integrations. Connect to Google or Outlook Calendar to sync your appointments. Go to the Automation tab. In the Automation tab, create email or text reminders for clients before their appointments. To integrate the calendar with your website, return to the Calendars option. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines next to the calendar and select Embed. Copy the embed code and paste it onto your website. This streamlined setup will help you manage appointments effortlessly, reducing no-shows and automating reminders. And there you have it. Grab your 30-day free trial now and start building your own funnel today. Don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for the easiest and most effective start. Links are in the video description. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales funnel. See you next time.